Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about order. Okay, how list items are going to be ordered. There is some special function called a sort. Through this the list items are going to be sorted form. So when we say that the list are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order. That order will not change. Okay, if you add new items to a list, the new list will be placed at the end of the list. You understand what is the meaning of this? Means first statement is saying that if it when you order the list items, it will be ordered a defined order. Okay, either ascending or descending with a specific order, and the order will not going to be changed further. You cannot change that order because it is the store in the indexing form. If you add any new element inside the list, and the elements are added at the end of the list. Okay, so if you declare the list, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5, if you add any new element after declaring this list, the element is going to be added at the end. Okay, if new elements are placed, and if you want to placing at any position, there is some different functions are there which will helps you. That function name I am told here, that is insert function, but I am not discussing now. I am only order function is going to be discussed you. So if you are going to be print L dot sort function, okay, sort function, it returns the in sorted form. Okay, but the elements are in sorted form. Okay, it returns me in the non. Okay, so why it is going to be returned non? Because the it is already sorted. Okay, if I am uh, randomly add that number 6 2 comma 2 comma 1 comma 8 comma 9 comma 0. Okay, if you go for the sort, it will also return non. Let's check why it is going to be non. Okay, so here I am going to print this thing, that's why it is return me non. Then you go for the directly simple way. Okay, let's see. And after sort, if you go for the print L, what is going to be written here? See, okay, it will return in the sorted form. So first of all, you have to take the elements in, sorry, items inside the list in a randomly, or add the elements inside the list randomly, then going to sort that particular list object, then going to print that list object. It returns you in the sorted form. Okay, you understand? And it also in the ordered form, that is ascending to descending form. Okay, so let's, you understand, if I go for the some character wise L list some characters A comma, then D comma, then C comma, then B. Okay, let's see how it sorts this particular object. L dot sort. Fine. Okay, then go for the print L. Okay, and it returns you, that is A B C D. Okay, the characters are also printing in the sorted form. There is another way I am go for the string. Suppose there is a QWE, just like this. Okay, ASD, then CBB. Okay, then ZXC, then L dot sort, then print L. Okay, ASD, CBB, then QWEZXC. Okay, all the characters are here sorted in the ASCII format or ASCII form, because all the characters are in the uppercase form, that is starting ASCII value is a 65, and according to ASCII code the system understood, and sort function helps that particular arranging the elements in the ascending order. Okay, so this is the list order. And you in this video you also learn how the list particular going to be generally sorting list items in a proper manner. Okay, And in upcoming videos you are also see some different functions to help you to add the items inside the list. How it is going to be work, see upcoming videos. Okay, that's all. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, and please like and share this video, and also click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.